this video, we're going to talk about how you can lock or unlock your Bank of America debit card. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to download the mobile app if we don't already have it. So the Bank of America mobile app. And then once we have the application open on our phone, we will need to log in with our account, and then we'll have to go to menu. Then from the menu options, we will select manage debit card or credit card, and then we will select the card which we want to change the options for. Then you should be able to see a toggle to either lock or unlock under the card image. If you press on this toggle, it is going to, well, accordingly lock or unlock your debit or credit card through Bank of America. You'll get a confirmation shortly after you lock your card. When you find it again, unlocking it is just as easy, so you will just have to repeat the same process. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub if it did, and I'll see you next time.